Gonna see your surprise soon, Kara. I wonder what it is.
Is this my surprise?
$2 per people.
What do you see?
The fair is back. I don't believe it. The fair is back.
This is your surprise.
We're going to the fair, Carol?
I can't wait. Do you have money?
Yes.
Yes.
To get on rides?
Yeah.
I go on the caterpillar one first
Sure.
because I'm a big girl and I can go on the caterpillar one. And she can't go on the caterpillar one.
No, she's too small.
Yeah, she can't go on rides. But you can...
Hi. Hey, thank you.
Just up on the right place.
Okay.
She has a coffee in her hands, Daddy.
Look at the lines to get tickets.
Oh dear.